All right. Okay, this is the continue of the what do you call it? Chapter 8, AD, question 8. I think it was. Yeah. Okay. So let's go. So E. We finished up to D the other day, so that's why we start from E. All right. So domain, we got that, which is here to here. Oh, so the first intersect is here and then here. So these are the points of interest. All right, let's go. Section 1. Area we need to look for is this one and these ones. Oops, clear this bit a bit. Yep. So section 1, section 2. All right, so let's go section 1. Integrate. Now section 1, we're going from 0.25. All right, from 0.25 to 0.5. So 0.25 to 0.5. Top minus bottom. Integrate with respect to x. All right, so that would give us. So which function is on the top? So it looks like this function is on the top. All right, so that would be 1 over x minus 4x. Right, and 0.25, 0.5, 1 over x minus 4x. Integrate with respect to x. All right, that's easy. And let's start integrating. So integrate 1 over x. What do we get? We get ln x. All right, minus 4x squared over 2, which is just 2x squared. And then put our domain over there. Okay, let's write it neatly. Ln x minus 2x squared. And then 0.25, 0.5. Yeah, like that. Alright, let's sub the values in. So, ln 0.5 minus 2 multiplied by 0.5 squared. And then minus ln 0.25 minus 2 multiplied by 0.25 squared. Alright, let me use my calculator to get all the numbers out. So 2 times 0.5 squared. Okay, so I get negative 1.193 around there, minus, okay, so ln 0.25 minus 2 multiplied by 0.25 square, negative 1.511. Yeah, 1.5, yep. Alright, so that becomes negative, it just becomes positive. Alright, and that will be 2. No. Hold on, let me do it again. Negative 1.193 plus is 1.511. 0.318, I got. That's our section 1 area. Alright, let's go section 2. I will do section 2 on that side. So section 2 is from 0.5 to 1, right? So 0.5 to 1, top minus bottom. And then top, which one's also looks like this function on top now. So the 4x function is on the top now. Top, y equal to 4x. So it's 4x minus 1 over x. right? Expand the bracket. And then start integrating. Now, it should be the same as before. Things doesn't really change. Like the integral itself, I mean, the operation changes, some from negative to positive, from positive to negative. But yeah, you get the gist. Okay. So it should be 2x squared minus ln x. Right? It's from 0.5 to 1. Alright, let's start calculating. So it's equal to 2 times 1 squared minus ln 1 minus 2 multiplied by 0.5 squared minus ln 0.5. Okay, so we get 2 times 1 squared is just 2. Now ln 1, I believe, is just 0. That's it. So it just got 2 in there. Minus 0.5 squared is 0.25. 2 times 0.25 is 0.5. Right? Yep, that's it. Minus ln 0.5. Oh, let me calculate that. ln 0.5. 0.5 is minus negative 0.693. Yep. So it's 2 minus, so minus 0.5 minus negative 0.693. Alright, so 0.5, 0. Well, okay, this is just 1.193. Yeah? So 2 minus 1.193 is, I think, will be 0. Let's start from the bottom. 708. Yep, 0.807. Section 2 area. Alright, so therefore, total area is equal to 0.318 plus 0.807. That will give us 1.125. That's the final answer for question E. That is. All right, let's go into question A, B, C, D, E, F. All right, question F. Oh, looks like this one's a bit easy. It's only one section, right? We've only got this section. This particular section here. All right, so let's do it. Let's integrate. So we go integrate from 0 to 1, right? From 0 to 1, so which is our domain anyway. Yeah, 0 to 1. And then is always top minus bottom. Integrate with respect to x. Right? Oops. Alright. And which one's our top? Let's see. It looks like the one that's going up exponentially would be on the top. So this is top y equal to ex. The other one is the exponential decayed. So that would be the bottom one. Y equal to e to the negative k x. Alright, so top, oops, ex minus e to the power of negative x. Integrate with respect to x. Alright, easy enough. Expand the bracket. Alright, keep going. Now we can integrate. Now we know when you differentiate ex, you get ex. So when you integrate ex, you get ex. Okay. Oh, let's do it the proper way. Alright, let's do it the proper way. When you differentiate ex, right, you get ex itself doesn't change, multiplied by the derivative of the whatever is on the x, so whatever here. Now whatever the derivative of that is. So when you integrate, you same thing. Integrate, EX doesn't change. We instead of multiply, we divide by the derivative of this, which is 1. That is the proper way to do it. Alright? So let's do that. See, EX doesn't change, but we multiply by the derivative of this. Now, that's where the change is -1 here. That's the difference from 0 to 1. So that is EX plus e to the negative x, 0 to 1, right? And that gives us e to the power of 1 plus e to the power of -1 minus e to the power of 0 plus e to the power of -0. Right, I can do the 0 bit first. Easy. It's 1 plus 1. Right, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Alright, e to the power of 1 is just e. Right, e to the power of 1, e to the power of -1 is 1 over e. Right. So I suppose we do have to hold on. E1 plus 1 over e minus 2. Can I just leave it as this? I don't want to expand. I don't want to find the actual number because the unit is a unit number. So it's e plus 1 over e minus 2. All right. So let's leave it as this. Lazy. All right. If you want to find the actual number, you could. Okay, so that's it. That's easy. That's the answer for question F. All right, let's head on to question A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All right, question G. All right, so there's the two function. Oh no, I got it wrong. Hold on. let me regraph it. I thought it's x, but it's actually x minus pi over 2. Hold on. All right, this is more like it. Oof, got it. All right, so we're looking for this whole area here. All right, only one section, nothing else, which is good. Section 1, only one. I don't think there's any others within the domain. Nope, don't think so. Okay, let's go. So 0 to pi over 2, right? Which one's the top one? This is the top one. So it's always top minus bottom. Integrate with respect to x. Top minus bottom, so it's the y is equal to, so this is the 2 cos x minus pi over 2. Integrate with respect to x, right? Now most of you must wonder, why do I keep writing the bracket here when it's so obvious? But you know, it's a habit. You always write the minus the bottom function in brackets, because even if it's just one term, you know, right now we've got two terms. I know it will change the operation inside, but even if it's just one term, it's a habit that you should keep to yourself, because the negative will always alter things in the bottom functions. So it's 2 cos x minus x plus pi over 2. Integrate with respect to x. All right. So I don't think there's anything we can simplify, so let's integrate. So integrate 2 cos x, we get 2 sine x, right? And divided by, do it properly, the derivative of the inside, which is 1. Minus x become negative x squared over 2. Plus, now pi over 2 is just a number. Remember, pi is just 3.14. Something. So it's just a number, so it's just a constant. So when you integrate a constant with respect to x, you get this. The constant times the variable, the unknown. Yep, and then so from 0 to pi over 2. Alright, so let's substitute in. So we'll be equal to 2 sine pi over 2 minus pi over 2 square over 2 plus pi over 2 multiplied by pi over 2. Right? And then minus 2 sine 0 minus 0 square over 2 plus pi over 2 multiplied by 0. Alright, so everything becomes 0 here. Sine 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So everything is gone. So let's see here. Alright, so we got 2 multiplied by sine 90. I know sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. Remember your graph. I've drawn red. Your graph. Sine 90 is here. And this is 1. Yeah, so that's why sine 90 is equal to 1. Sine 90 is equal to 1, so 2 times 1. Minus pi over 2 squared give us pi over 4. And then we divide it by half again. Yeah, that's what the expression is. So this literally just means, so what is half of a quarter? It's an eighth, right? So it's just literally like that. Right? So it's pi squared. So it's literally, alright, nicer. So this is literally pi squared over 8. Yeah? So plus this is pi squared over 4. Right? And then equal to 2 minus, let's get it to the same, let's get it all to the same denominator, which is 8. So 2 times into 8. What's 2 times 8? 16. Over 8 minus pi squared over 8 plus, so that would be 2 pi squared over 8. Right? So we get 16 minus pi squared plus 2 pi squared all over 8. So 16 we don't move it. So 16 minus pi, sorry, negative pi squared plus 2 pi squared is 1 positive 2 pi squared over 8. Right, and then line here, and then let's split the fraction back to 16 over 8 plus pi squared over 8. Right? And let's just become 2 plus pi squared over 8. And that is your answer. Alright? Whew! So that's the answer for G. Alright, let's go. One last question, isn't it? Let's go. Alright. Finally, last question on question 8D, question 8. Okay, let's go. So we're looking for all these areas. Yeah? That's just one section. But no, look, I'm going to do something very interesting here, right? We know the two part, alright? Let me, stupid pen. Well, I wrote it, but so look at this section here and this section here. Aren't they the same? They're very symmetric, right? It's like a mirror image. So instead of finding both of them, can we just find one of them and times it by 2? Yeah, wouldn't that make sense? It wouldn't it be easier if you just find 1 and divide it by 2 and multiply by 2? Alright, let's just do that. Alright. Instead, we think this is a top function, or we find out question section 1. Okay. So this is the top and this is the bottom. The top is the x. Right. The bottom is the y equal to 0. This is the y equal to 0 line. Right. So let's just go integrate from -2 to 1. Top minus bottom. Integrate with circle to x. That's equal to top one is the ex, positive ex one, right? It's the positive ex. Yep. And then minus bottom, which is the 0. Right? So that is just literally this. Very easy. Right? And we know there's 2 lots of it. Therefore, area is equal to 2 multiplied by whatever that is. Right? So the 2 is all going to be here. Because we want to, you know, there's two sections. 2 exact same sections. So we have to multiply by 2. to find the total area. So let's integrate. Wow, that's it. Isn't that easy? All right. And so -2 to the 1. All right, let's go. So e to the 1 minus, let's put a big bracket here as well. Minus e to the power of -2. Right? And that gives us, alright, we have to use self-calculator here. So, where are you? Oh, there you go. E to the power of 1 minus e to the power of -2. So we get 2.583 around there. So that's, when time was by 2, it's become 5.166. So that's the total area. That should be the total area, because we found this area, right? And multiply by 2, give us that area. Yep, that's easy. Okay, so that's it. That's done. Whew. Nearly an hour on this question. All right, so let's go into a commercial break, and we come back with chapter 8 AD question 9.